Hello game developers and designers. In this video I'll show you how to generate 2D animated sprites from 3D models. 3D animated models for sure. For a demonstration I will use this model from Mixamo with this animation here. For some reason if I click on it, it doesn't show in my Firefox. I've already downloaded it and we will use it for demonstration. So let's see how simple it is. Here in this tab I have this website which I've created some time ago. We can simply upload the 3D model. For now it supports only FBX format with animation, but later I'm planning to add more extensions, support to more extensions. So to start we simply we can start anonymously or with Google, but I recommend starting with Google. Login with Google so you can always check your requests from other devices. I will start anonymously here for demonstration. Okay, so simply we click add request. We add a title. I will call it kick, and we select the FBX file, which I've already downloaded. It's here in the desktop. This one. Okay, after we select the model, in step 2, we select how many angles we want to render from. So here 4 angle is the default. The animation will be rendered from 4 different angles, 90 degree each one, rotation. But we can select 8, 16, no matter, as we like. I will select 8 here, which means 8 angles. It's very used. It's used in I guess top-down games and isometric games where the character might move diagonally. The next option here is camera angle. It's related to the horizon. So if I say isometric 45, we have, as we see here in the picture, it's 45 degree. If I choose top, the camera is above the player. So this is for top-down games. We can choose also side, you know, for side scroller games, for example, or we can also define a custom angle like 85 here or 16. But for this demonstration I will choose isometric. And in the third step here we select the frame steps. This tool will automatically find the start frame and the end frame. But in general, you don't want to render all the frames for 2D animated sprites. You probably have to skip a few. So here I will choose maybe 5, let's say. Then we need to select the render resolution for each frame. I will keep it 128 pixel by 128, and then we click add. Sure, we can also add custom range for the keyframes. We want it to start, for example, from 50 and end at 200, for example, or you can keep it automatic, and then we click add. Okay, and now we're done. As we see here, the request has been submitted. We have all the data here, and the status is waiting. As the notes say here, due to lack of resources, requests might take up to 24 hours. In usual, it's very less than that, maybe 8 or 6 hours. And we are planning to improve this. This is free website, free tool. So now that's all we can do. Maybe in the future, with a little support, we will improve it. Okay, now after that we wait, and we come after, let's say, 2 or 3 hours, check the results. Okay, we're back, and as we see here, the status turned into finished. So now our request has been rendered. We can simply download it from here. It will be a zip file. And now as we see, the animation has been rendered. Each angle or each render for a specific angle has been saved in a separate folder. So if we go to folder 0 here, this is one angle, and this is the animation as we see. Folder 1, the same. And the same for the rest of the folders as we see here. And that is the whole process. As you see, it's very simple and very useful. It speeds up creating animated sprites to the animated sprites. I hope you liked it. It's still an alpha version now. Lots of improvements will be coming soon. One bug I noticed though when I was recording this video is that in render options here, if you enable use custom range, make sure to specify the values as we did in the video. But if you decide that you don't want to use it again, don't just untick it here. Just set the start frame to 1, 0 for the end frame and untick it. This is a small bug, it will be fixed soon. And one other feature I'm planning to add soon is that if you log in with your Google account, you'll receive an email when your render is finished. I hope you liked it. Please, if you have any notes or feedback or faced any bugs, let me know so I can fix them. This is totally free and available now for use immediately. If you like, you can support us here by buying me a coffee. This will be appreciated and will help me to allocate more resources for the render, which speed up the render time. And I'm actually looking forward to have no waiting time at all, maybe just the time of the render. That's all. I hope you liked it. See you soon and goodbye.